Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on the Red Note app on your iPhone. So if you recently downloaded the Red Note app and you notice that it's Chinese, then let me show you how you can change it to English. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Red Note app. So as you can see right now, currently everything is in English. However, I'll change this to Chinese so that you guys can understand where to tap. So on the main app here, you want to go ahead and make sure you're on this screen, which is your first tab. Next, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left. Now here, you want to go ahead and type on settings, which looks like this, the gear symbol. Now here, you want to go ahead and tap on the second settings, which is right here, the gear symbol. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on language, which is the first. Here you'll be able to choose all the different language. From here, go ahead and select English, then go back. And now your app will change into English. Now whatever tabs you visit, you'll see the English language there. So there you go guys, that is how to change your language on the Red Note app to English on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.